Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, my name is Liliana Vargas. I am 36 years old. I am married. I have two sons. I am from Sogamoso. I am a student of industrial engineering.
What are you stressed?
I am very perfection. I like challenge. I like to investigate and find solutions. I am very recursive.
What are your weaknesses?
I don't like to get up early. I am in bad mood.
What your biggest achievement in life?
My greatest achievement in life is to be able to study what I like regardless of age.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself in 5 years working in an oil company.
Where do you want to leave your job?
I want to change hope because I think it's time to take a bigger step in my life.
Where do you want to work for us?
I want to work for you because it is one of great goals and it has always been my wish.
What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectation is adjusted to the one agreed by the company.
Mm, it is all for the moment.
Okay, thank you very much.